Okay, we're back. Project Bimmers update on this E38. We're doing an interior swap for the first project, going from gray to black interior. So the first thing we're doing is taking everything out. So far what I've done, the last step was I removed the center console, complete center console removal. I didn't get the procedure on video because it was a one-man job and it was a nightmare, to be honest with you. A lot of things that I had to do that I couldn't do with holding the camera. But I'll show you pretty much when I replace the console with the black one, what I had to do. There was a lot of stuff going on under here. This is under the glove box to remove this trim. There was some previous owner issues with the way that they attached the trim on this, so it was damn near impossible to get off. They didn't do it the right way, so that's issues that you'll have when you run into older car if you're trying to restore it. You know, some owners have it for a while and then they have issues dealing with it, so they do it how they do it. You know, I find out the hard way this car got some issues. But nothing I can't handle. You know, this is, you know, what I do. I restore BMWs, my passion. This is a 740 IL that has fallen from grace, let's say. She has seen better days. But this is the project. So as of right now, I left this door on. This this is the driver's door. I left it on because I'm gonna do a separate video on removing that, so I can go step by step with that. The under dash, that gray under dash, also got, you know, forgotten about. I forgot to take that off. No need to make a video on that, simple procedure. I just forgot to take it off, so I'm going to take that off. I have black replacement. I'm going to make a little video about all the replacement parts that I have for this, so you can see, map it out. But now what I'm left with is a filthy interior. Absolutely just filthy. See, just to give you a close-up on some of that. This was under the center console. I mean, I guess this car is years old, so if it's never been cleaned before, you're gonna really pile on the dirt. So I'm gonna make a video on, you know, how to get this done. The first thing that you got to do, for the most part, just to start off, all the big things that you see on the floor, anything that you can pick up with your hand, you know, anything like that you can just get up and get off the floor. Start by doing that. Like, pick up all this stuff that you can just pick up. You know, just get that all off. Once you get that all off, for the most part, you're going to be able to vacuum. Just start getting a vacuum in here. The carpet looks worse than it really is. It's not that bad, because most of this is just dirt that could come off with some soap and some degreaser and some chemicals can get this out. There's a few things that I can use. Not going to be that difficult. I'm actually going to go and do a color swap on the carpet, go into black. So depending on how this comes out when I clean it, I might just spray it. I have a product that I could use that I want to try out. I used it on my E36 when I did the carpet. It came out fine. Here's something I found in here too. Some Prestone 50/50. So that gives me some issues there, because I would never put this in this car. So this car has a cooling problem. It overheats. So I wonder why. Now that you know, I'm going to change out the whole cooling system. I got all the parts for that. So that's another project that I can show you. But I don't put that, you know, that kind of stuff in my cars. When I'm doing my restorations on Bimmers, even if it costs a few extra bucks or whatever, I try my best to do the right thing, use the right parts. You know what I mean? They make stuff specifically for the motor. They make stuff specifically for the radiator, the cooling system. And I try to use the stuff that is supposed to be in here. So right now, let me get busy starting to pick up some of this stuff. I got to start getting this clean. This is just a basic update. The project is going very cool, very smooth. Nothing standing in the way. I got a strict timeline I got to be following. I got to get 2 cars done ASAP, and I got another one that I have to get done before July. So this is pretty much the process. I'm signing out right now. Got a lot of work to do in here, but I will definitely keep you posted.